Top Print on Demand Niche Research, Episode 14. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 14th episode of Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche for today is a Mother's Day niche. So Mother's Day is quickly approaching, about 28 days left. It's not too early to start making designs for Mother's Day. This is a design that is doing really well. It got on Fine Research's radar because it's been selling really well. So it's priced at $16.99, over 166 sales, over 704 reviews. Now it says messy bun, coffee run, girl star wrap, I need a nap, hashtag mom life. Moms need naps. All of these said are true for moms. So this is a great gift for moms, the moms in your life. So overall trend is up, current trend up because Mother's Day is quickly approaching. Now the keywords is a keywords that you can use, and scrolling down, here's similar designs from the same brand. Moving on to niche number 2 is this. Biden is not my, the thing. Biden is not my, the thing. So I think they wanted to say Biden is not my president, but they just left it halfway. They said, the thing. I think it's kind of funny. And this is for the Trump supporters. They said Biden is not my president. They've been on this issue that saying that the results of the presidential elections were rigged. And we know it's not true. And they still don't want to let go, even though Trump has moved out of the White House. And that is why this t-shirt is selling. So it says, this is a great political idea for grandfathers, grandpas, husbands, anti-Biden. And we're looking at the BSR. Overall trend is up. Here are the keywords that you can use with this design. And here are similar designs from the same brand. This has sold 8 times, this has sold 9 times. And if this design is selling, this anti-Biden design is selling. So the next niche, which is for Trump design. So here's the thing. Surprisingly, Trump designs are still selling. There's some people who don't believe that um, the results. There's some people who believe that the results were rigged, and those are Trump supporters. So the Trump designs, as well as the Biden designs, are selling. Here's an example of a Trump design that is selling. It says, "Don't blame me, I voted for Trump." And it has sold over 109 times, on over 123 reviews, over priced at $15.90. Let's take a look at the BSR. And the BSR overall trend is up, current trend is up. So, in spite of the fact that Trump is no longer the president, people are still purchasing his t-shirts. And this is really true. In my Zazzle shop, I get Trump shirts sales almost every day. To be sincere, almost every day. Trump shirt sales. And here are keywords that you can use with this design. And let's look at similar designs from the same brand. We just play the same design on a sweatshirt, on a hoodie, both of them on hoodie. So this is a zip hoodie and this is a regular hoodie, and also placed it on a phone case. So all of them are doing well, but not really doing well. This one has sold 5 times, 2 times, 14 times. All right. Moving on to the next niche, guys. This is, I think I did 7 niches today. I always try to put in extra niches instead of the regular 5. I always like to do 7 or 8, just to give you guys extra niches that you can focus on. So moving on to the next one. And next niche for today is the Cinco de Mayo niche. Oh, before the Cinco de Mayo niche, our next niche is the Earth Day niche. So I did a research of when Earth Day. Earth Day is April 22nd, and it's for anything, people who love anything green, vegans, animals, wildlife, pollution, and all the like, they're gonna like this shirt. And overall trend is up because it's Cinco de Mayo, because Earth Day is quickly approaching. And here are the keywords that you can use. And let's look at similar designs from the same brand. Alright, that is it for the Earth Day niche. Moving on to the next niche is this Cinco de Mayo niche. So Cinco de Mayo is a Mexican holiday uh, that people celebrate everything Mexican, including tacos, chimichangas, and other like. And here's an example of a Cinco de Mayo t-shirt design that is doing well. This is very, it's just tacos in the form of six packs, and it's also a funny design for fitness lovers. And scrolling down, we can look at the BSR and see that the BSR, the overall trend is up. And here are the keywords that you can use with this t-shirt design. And this is also a funny design that I found from the same brand. It's a taco cat. It says taco cat spelled backward is taco cat. That's really funny, and it's a cat that's in the form of a taco. So it's a very beautiful design. Over five people have bought this, priced at 1698, 1687, and over 50 reviews. So that is it for the Cinco de Mayo niche. We're moving on to the next niche. It's a summer niche. It says it's what I do, I drink, and I grill things. So this word or the saying was gotten from Game of Thrones, and anybody who has watched Game of Thrones will know this word was gotten from there. And the scene was getting from there. But in the descriptions, the bullet points, and the title, you'll see nothing about Game of Thrones. So that's what you should do if you want to get scenes from popular TV shows and from movies, which I wouldn't advise you to do. But if you must, don't include anything related to the movie because your design will definitely be rejected. So this is an example of getting designs from movies or getting ideas from movies and TV shows. So the BSR right here, it says the current trend is up. Look at this spike, closely approaching one, because summer two is quickly approaching and people like Game of Thrones. So that's a combination for success. Here are the keywords that you can use, and here are similar designs from the same brand. Well, it's nothing related to Summer or Game of Thrones, but we can just get ideas from there. So moving on to the next niche, it's the American flag baseball vintage flag shirt, and I did extra research to look at the baseball season 2021. So here are the games which are, this game was yesterday and this one is today. So this is one of the niches that you should focus on because this baseball season is going to last for a while and people are going to be purchasing shirts over and over again. So if we take a look at this shirt design, it's baseballs and the baseball bat together with the American flag. So scrolling down, we can see that the BSR overall trend is up, or current trend is up, and this shirt has sold 66 times, over 280 reviews, and priced at 16.95. So you can see the BSR has been going up and down, but it's uh, going towards quant. So here are the keywords you can use, and here are similar designs from the same brand. So before I round up this video, I just want to quickly make a reminder that you need to take a look at your calendars, take a look at the niches, take a look at the events that are upcoming. These are the faster ways. This is one of the fastest ways to find niches. If you're wondering what to design, here is a website we can grab inspiration from. I also grab inspiration from Merch Informer. Merch Informer also has their own dedicated calendar that I like to use. Maybe in the next video, I'm going to do a quick overview of Merch Informer and how I use it for my success on print on demand. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.